Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see notification history on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, if we want to see our notification history on our Android phone, we have to open our settings application. And then after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the notification setting. Click on this notification setting and we can click on advanced settings right here. Okay, and this is our notification history. We just need to click on it to see our notification history on our Android phone. So these are my notification history from all application on my Android phone. And you can check it one by one like this if you want to see the detail. And you can also turn off your notification history right here. Just click on the circle button to turn it off. Alright guys, and that's how we can see notification history on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.